Are you on search for the best online coding classes for your kids? Today I will share valuable information about highly reputable online coding programs and platforms for your children. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and the Tech Talk series. So this video was inspired by someone dear to me who reached out for advice on the best online coding classes for their kids. And as an IT professional with a strong passion for children's education, I felt compelled to share this information with you all because I believe many parents are seeking similar guidance. I also believe you know that in this digital age, it is crucial to equip your children with early coding skills. And that is what we will explore today. So I want to emphasize that this is not a sponsored video, but I have curated a list of fantastic online coding classes that I believe your children can benefit from. There are numerous options available, and the best one depends on some factors like your children's age. It also depends on your child's experience level, and another factor is their coding interests. So while it is important to prioritize our children's best interests, it is equally crucial to invest time in understanding their passions and what truly inspires them. And we can gently, encourage them to explore new interests and also provide guidance. But it is essential not to impose our choices upon them. So moving on the screen, you see a list of highly regarded online coding classes and platforms for your kids. And you see Code Academy, you see Scratch, and the rest. Again, when choosing an online coding class for your child, please make sure you consider their age, their prior experience, and also interest. Like I said, many of these platforms offer free courses and trials, allowing you to explore different options based on your child's learning experience. And some classes even provide certifications upon completion, which can motivate your child and also track their progress. That's awesome, right? So for example, Udemy offers a variety of coding courses on topics like Python and game development. So as you see on the screen, I'm using Udemy as an example. I'm logging into my Udemy account, and you have to create an account. So once you log in, then make your search, coding for kids or programming for kids, then you see variety coding classes for them, like this example I'm displaying on the screen. So you can choose the suitable one for your kid. And as I said earlier, that some of these platforms offer certification. Udemy also offers certification, so this also will boost their morale, and also it will add to their portfolio while growing up. At least they have that already. Nobody can take that from them. So as I was saying, Udemy, for example, offers a variety of coding courses and topics like Python, And for those of you that are not familiar with Python in this context, so Python is a programming language. There are various programming languages, so Python is just one of them. So I hope that is clear. And also, if your kids are older or if you have teenagers, you might want to explore this academy, and there are courses for the kids, so where universities and organizations offer structured coding classes. So for younger kids, Code Academy is one of the platforms you would want to explore. It has interactive and fun coding lessons, introducing coding concepts through storytelling and games. Then platforms like Code Wizard HQ, that caters to kids age 8 to 18, covering various programming languages with live interactive lessons. So if that is what you are looking for, that is a platform you might want to check. And for code.org, they offers a range of free courses, coding courses suitable for all ages. But for young gamers, if you have young gamer, Roblox Studio allows them to create their own games using scripting, making it an ideal choice for those interested in game development. And if you are looking for beginner-friendly platforms that teach coding concepts while creating interactive stories, games, and animations, I would say Scratch and Thinker. They are excellent choices. So Thinker covers varieties of programming languages, including Python and JavaScript. So feel free to do your own research, and while I won't provide direct links in the description box below, but do not hesitate to reach out if you would like me to give you that link, or if you want more information about this video. I hope this information helps enhance your children's coding education. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up, hit the notification bell for the future uploads, and consider subscribing if you are new to the channel. Thank you for joining, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay blessed.